I can't let it go. And neither should you.
Hi.
I've been thinking about something that happened a while ago. Something small, maybe. But it won't leave me alone. You ever have one of those moments where someone says something and you don't know how to respond? So you say nothing. Or worse, you say the wrong thing. And then hours later, days later, even years later, you're still replaying that conversation in your head? That's what this is about. Part 1. The moment. It wasn't a big event. No spotlight. No drama. Just a quiet conversation with someone I cared about. We were sitting across from each other. It was one of those talks where you can feel the weight in the room. They were opening up, sharing something personal, something real, and I froze. I don't even remember exactly what they said, but I remember how I felt. Unprepared, caught off guard, afraid of saying the wrong thing. So I nodded. I smiled. I gave a generic response. Something safe. And they nodded back. But I could see it. In their eyes. That moment closed. Like a door gently shutting. Part 2. The aftermath. I told myself it was fine. That it wasn't a big deal. But that night, lying in bed, I replayed it. Over and over. You know the feeling? That slow burn of regret. The why didn't I say this? The why didn't I just be honest? The I should have said anything but what I said. And the thing is, it's not just about what I didn't say. It's about what I felt and kept hidden. The truth that stayed locked inside me. Sometimes silence can be louder than words. And sometimes the words we don't say echo the longest. Part 3. Where it comes from. I've thought about why I didn't speak up. Maybe it's fear. Fear of judgment. Fear of being vulnerable. Fear of messing things up even more. Or maybe it's habit. We get so used to swallowing our thoughts, to playing it safe, to keeping things neat and tidy, even when we're breaking inside. And yet, what's worse? Saying the wrong thing? Or saying nothing at all? That question still haunts me. Part 4. The cost. Here's what I've learned. Regret doesn't show up all at once. It creeps in, quietly, in the middle of the night, or when you see their name, or hear a song, or pass a place where you once sat together. It asks questions you can't answer. It whispers, maybe they needed you. It wonders, what if that was your only chance? And the hardest part? You don't get to go back. You don't get to redo the moment. You just carry it. Part 5. Moving forward. But I don't want to stay stuck there. I can't rewrite that day. But maybe I can do something different the next time. Maybe I can pause, but still speak. Maybe I can be afraid, but still try. Maybe I can tell someone, I don't know the perfect words, but I want to be here for you anyway. Because people don't always need perfect. Sometimes they just need presence. Real. Honest. Human. So, yeah. That one conversation still lives in my mind. The one where I didn't say what I should have. But maybe sharing this is a way of finally speaking it. If you're watching this, and there's something you wish you'd said, you're not alone. We've all been there. And maybe we don't get to go back. But we do get to go forward. And the next time someone opens their heart, maybe we'll be brave enough to open ours too. Thanks for listening.